Alright, so let's find where all these guys go. So this one seems to go... Is that there? What is this one anyway? Front USB. No, that's miscellaneous stuff. I don't know, let's figure out the other stuff here first. So we got this little guy, power LED, white and green. It actually does positive, negative. Okay, so that's right here. Get these around the right way. Positive and negative. Yeah, so it goes like that. There we go. I love how clearly labeled all these cables are. It's fantastic. Okay, what's this one? Reset switch. What is this orange one here? Power switch. Power should be right there. Right next to the reset switch. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to try to keep all these organized, and then we'll do some cable management after. We'll basically just bunch them all together and stuff them down the side there. Should be good. Okay, and then this one, hard drive LED. Okay. What else do we have here? Oh, what are these ones? USB. Oh, that's power. Power. Ugh. It's always the fun part, finding where everything plugs in. Power fan. Oh, there we go. Case fan can go into that, I think. Yeah. All the SATA headers are here, by the way. They face out this way, which is kind of strange. Never really seen that before. Alright, so USB. Put that in there. Okay. Audio. Let's see. Oh, wow. There's a couple of... There's actually 2 FireWire headers in here. That's kind of cool. Audio. Hello. Audio. Where are you? Is this another one that doesn't have a front audio thing? Seriously? Where is it? So I had this problem before when I got the previous motherboard. I wasn't able to use the front audio ports because, well, there wasn't anywhere to plug them in. Alright, let me just take a quick peek at the instructions here, and we'll see what we got here. Okay. Power LED seems to think it should be one more over. Good Lord. You need needle nose fingers. Okay. There. That should be good. Speaker. That's not the HD audio. That's PC speaker. That's something else. God damn it. Okay. I think I see what I did wrong. God. It's like, it's not small enough. Okay, hold it a second. Power switch. Oh, no, that's power LED. Well, what the hell? Yeah, no, that doesn't match up with it. Well, you would think it would be near the, front audio. There. What the hell is it all the way over there? It's over here. God. Like, let's have all the front panel stuff over here, except the audio. We'll put that over here. Because, that makes sense. That's great. Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming up. Appreciate it. It's great. So that's good. And then this one. Ugh. Oh. Yeah, we still don't know where this one goes. What the hell is this one for? Seems to think it's for USB ports. Well, I don't see anything that's even remotely similar to that. There we go. That's good. Yeah, it's not blocking the fan. It's just blocking everything else. Excellent. That's okay. We're actually not putting any cards in it right now, so that's fine. I think this is good. Just leave the cables lying all over everything. Isn't that that's some good cable management, right? You like that? Okay. Well, let's motor along here. So we need a couple of Molex connectors here. We need a Molex for the front fan and a Molex for the rear fan. Let's see what we got here. Molex for everybody. Okay, so we got the big cable here, which goes. I'm just gonna move this over here for the moment. Out of my way. So we got the big one, which I believe goes this way. Yeah. Okay. And where's our 12 volt? Here it is. There's our 12 volts, which goes. That's a big guy. I usually just see the ones with the 4 pins, or the 4 connectors, but this has 8. I guess it needs a little more juice. So plug that one. That is correct, is it not? I don't see any other place it can go. No, it's gotta be it. There we go. Just didn't quite have it lined up. Okay, good. Alright, so those can kind of just there. That should be fine. Alright, so Molex. So this is SATA. This is SATA. This is Molex. Molex. Oh, what's this? PCI Express. Oh, that's for like a graphics card or something. Oh, are you serious? We only have... we only have a couple of Molexes. Alrighty. Well. Scheisse. Okay, well, let's bring these down here. We're going to come on. You know you wanna. it's in. Oh, I guess we should stick a PC speaker in here somewhere too, eh? Is that here? Speaker, yes. Positive. There we go. We'll just leave him standing. Doesn't need to be particularly secure. It's just a freaking PC speaker. Who cares? Really, who cares? Alright, well, shit. If this is all the Molex I have, I am not going to have enough power for all my IDE drives. Hooray! So, maybe we'll just stick those back into the quad core and just make this a pure SATA machine. Pure SATA! Okay. There we go. Just tuck that under there as best as we can. Oh, what the hell? Get out of my way. Okay. Now, let's mount some hard drives, shall we? Now that we got all that shite out of the way. Really? Is that as good as it's going to be? God. I hate cable management. Well, as long as all the fans are clear, then I'm fine. I don't mind. Whatever. I'm just going to grab some scissors to open up the case here. Okay. I guess an X-Acto knife might have been easier, but whatever. Whatever, man. Real men use pink-handled scissors. Impossible to open package. You are my bitch. Okay. Alrighty. See? The SSD drive includes documentation. Here we go. 120 gigs of SSD drive. SATA 3, of course. Alright, so first things first. This is great. I've actually found a local place here that sells computer parts. Just walked in and said, yeah, do you have a mounting bracket for an SSD drive? And he just kind of laughed and says, is that all you need? I was like, yeah, that's it. Okay, we have those. I was like, awesome. Gimme. It was really that simple. I forget which bay I want to put this in. I think I'm going to put it in this one, actually, which you can't see. It's the bottom bay of the top section of drive bays. Alright, so let's get some more screws all over the place, shall we? I have such a surplus of screws. But I think, I don't know. I got a couple little Ziploc bags here. Oh, I'm tired. I didn't expect this to take so bloody long. So I think, is this what I think it is? Let me just check and see here. Whoops. Yeah, I think this case actually lets you mount two. You can actually have one in the bottom here as well, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna put it on the top, just so there's lots of ventilation. I know that SSD drives don't generate a lot of heat, but it's one of the many advantages of them. But, whatever, man. Whatever. Ah, shit. There's different kinds of conversion kits you can get like this that basically allow a 2.5-inch drive to fit in a 3.5-inch bay. The most sort of cryptic one I ever used was also for installing an SSD drive in a customer's machine. Was a Kingston one. Now this is pretty obvious. Like, just there's really only one way it fits together, and it's nice and obvious and easy and intuitive. But the Kingston one is basically just a pair of brackets which can fit a number of ways. So the real trick is figuring out which way is up and which way it's best going to work. But once you figure that out, it's actually nice solid little bracket setum. What the hell is a setum? Bracket system, setup, whatever, and works quite well. And the nice thing about it, I guess, is that it's a minimum of material used, so there isn't a lot surrounding the drive, so it's got a lot more room to breathe, as it were, which is pretty cool. So there we go. So for the time being, I'm just going to throw on my OEM version of Windows 7. So if you see in there, you can see the screws just kind of go in the side there, and it just mounts like so. I'm just going to throw Windows 7 on here because apparently through work I can get Windows 8 for a song and a dance once it comes out. No, I can't get multiple copies, so don't ask me. Only one, and it's mine. A lot of people are like, well, why Windows 8? It looks so crappy. Metro sucks, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Well, Metro's optional. Underneath Metro, it's just Windows 7. I guess Windows 7 with a few more features, but basically still just Windows 7. And you can actually disable Metro so that it just boots straight to your desktop. Okay, now, just gotta figure out. Okay, so this we actually do need to screw in. Do it like that, I guess. Oh, we're going the wrong way. Go this way. How deep can we get it? I guess that's as deep as it'll go. Okay. Alright, definitely want the magnetic for this one. And let's angle you down so you can see what I'm doing. So, just so you know where I'm going here, I'm actually putting it in this drive bay here, which is, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 drive bays here. So, I'm putting it in the 5th from the top. And it looks like we're going to have to put in screws from the other side as well. The other side panel does come off, so no worries there. And it's nice and easy to access everything, which is good. Straight, what the hell is your problem? You get in the hole, please. God damn it. What is your frickin' problem? Sort of. All right. Let's flip her over. Oh. We actually, Oh, wouldn't that be nice? Can we actually pull some wires through to this side? Well, what the hell was that? Hard drive LED. I apparently just yanked it out of the motherboard. Awesome! Well, we'll fix that in just a moment here. But yeah, if we can just pull stuff through to this side, that's awesome. That's way out of the way. Yay for cable management. Great. Where do my other screws go? The fuck did they go? Oh, they're there. Okay. Guten. Now. Goddamn. Hold on a second. Thank God for magnetic tips. Oh my God, this is pissing me off. They're metric screws, but they're going into a plastic frame. So let me just reach underneath. There we go. Now, great. Crooked much? There we go. Straight. All right. Last one. All right. Guten. Now, all this wonderful cable management here. HD LED. Where does that one go again? HD LED. Right there. Yeah, just pull all these through to the other side. That's great. That's going to make a big difference. Oh, I get it. It's these thingies. You can just stick... Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, okay. So excited I'm pooping myself. Alright. Let's do it like that. I like that idea. I like that idea a lot. So I take this. And we just stick them through here. So only what we need comes through. Isn't that brilliant? And then it, yeah, that's great. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so just quickly, power LED, that's, there we go. Beautiful. I like that a lot. That is frickin' brilliant. Okay. So we'll just pull the excess through. And look at that. How's that for fucking cable management? All those little dinky cables that you can hide on the other side, underneath the other side panel. That is frickin' awesome. I love that. Okay, still don't know where this blue bastard goes. That angry blue bastard. SS USB. I don't know where this goes. This doesn't seem to plug into anything. Like, there's nothing on here that's even close. So I guess it's just one of those things where it's just not something that's compatible with this motherboard. I don't know. Alright, so what else do we got here? We got, actually the big question is, how do these go in? Can we just slide them in? We actually have to screw them in, don't we? God damn it. I'm kind of spoiled by ones that are just clips. Oh well. Do not use the magnetic tipped ones with hard drives because magnets and hard drives don't get along very nicely. What I will do is put this one in first. I'm going to put him right on the bottom. Okay, why are you being difficult? Just go in, please. Really? Do they stick out that far? Jesus, this is scratching the hell out of my drive. Okay. I guess they do. Alright. No problem. Oh, look at that. The PC speaker fell out. What a shame. Yeah, can you tell I have no love for the PC speaker? Okay. Let's flip you over. Check out all that beautiful cable management. Okay. And crap. No, we're okay. We didn't go far. So this is the 3 terabyte SATA 2. I have, oh, it got a little magnetized. That's kind of funny. Okay. All right. So, I'm just going to set this aside for a moment. Oh God, where am I going to put it? Because next up, I actually want to disassemble the 2 externals. And we're going to turn these into internals.